How's it going, everybody? My name is Blake and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the back seat on the back of the Emmo's on Sport. So basically what you got to do is you got to grab your keys, and right here where I plug them in, put them in. You should see a keyhole, so the keyhole is right there. What you got to do is you just got to turn the key all the way, and then what you got to do, don't mind me. Just gotta use another hand and pop the seat off, and then you can let go of the key. I'm sorry, I couldn't really show you. I'm using one hand to record. So basically it just comes right off. Just pops out. This. The seat can go on the ground, just sit there. And then this is where it houses the kill switch and a bunch of the wires. So, yeah. So now I'll show you how to put it back on. Right there is going to be where the knob on the actual seat is. So the knob is right there. It's gonna go right in the hole. So basically you're just gonna place it there. It's not gonna pop in. What you gotta do to actually pop it in is you just gotta turn the key, and then it's gonna pop back in. So thank you so much for watching this quick little information video. Hope you learned a little something new, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.